I'm gonna go ahead and see my doctor and do my first little set of maternity shopping. I like filled up my cart pretty quick. These are actually very easy to make. Don't these look delicious? Alright you guys, so in Aaliyah's daycare, twice a week they started doing these like summer fun activity stuff. Hi! They say to bring her in a bathing suit and she is loving it. I was putting on her sunscreen, she literally wanted me to put some in her hand and I'm trying to teach her how to put it on. Caja? Caja? Yeah!
Wow!
Wow! Good job, Buna!
Brush your teeth.
Let me hold her. Yay!
Toothpaste, but she doesn't want to brush her teeth.
Open! We should do it at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See, for the camera, she's okay to do it.
So let's have to have the camera every time.
This girl.
Happy. Come. No. Wow. Come. I got 1 second, please. Wow, you look so nice.
Hold up. She got sunscreen all over my iPad. Eran just headed out to drop Oli off in daycare. How cute was she in that little bathing suit? I love that they're doing summer activities now and they send us so many different photos as well. I have a long day of errands ahead of me. Starting off, I actually have another pregnancy appointment today. I'm gonna go ahead and see my doctor. Last week, we actually went ahead and did that scan that kind of checks for like neutral tube defects or any of that kind of stuff. But the doctor did say that he wanted to see me next week to do some more blood work and kind of like the part 2 of that scan. So I've got my appointment for that in about 30 minutes. I want to quickly make myself breakfast before I head out. I am really in need to go to the grocery store, specifically Trader Joe's. I think I'll take you guys along with me because I gotta do a full restock of all my Trader Joe's goods. But I think for breakfast, I'm gonna go simple cream cheese bagel with some tomatoes and maybe some feta. Because like I said with this pregnancy, I've actually been adding feta on everything, you guys. Sandwiches, salads, pastas, like anything you can imagine. I need that extra salty little bit of cheese and it just makes it so much better. Very simple breakfast, but still so yummy. I'm actually gonna go ahead and finish up this green juice. I don't know if I told you guys, but when we came back from New York, I actually got food poisoning. Silly me, I bought a sandwich from the airport. I saw when it was packaged, it seemed like it was fresh, so I just didn't think it was a problem. But literally that night, I threw up like 3 or 4 times, and I was so sick, I couldn't keep anything down. So I went ahead and ordered some juices. I was like, at least this is a way for me to get in my vitamins and nutrients, and then if I throw it up, it's juice. So it's like not the worst thing. Thank God I'm feeling so much better, but I'm gonna go see the doctor today just to make sure everything is good with baby. Oh, and if you guys can see this huge mess in the back, we actually had a huge leak issue in our house. I'll update you guys after my appointment, but it was bad. It was like really bad. So all of our stuff in Aaliyah's playroom are now in the living room, and when Eran comes back, I guess we'll update you on that. I'm running late, gotta finish this quickly, and then we'll head out.
All right, very good. Sounds great. Ultrasound will be probably in about 2 or 3 weeks.
Is that the gender ultrasound?
If the baby cooperates.
Yes. Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, you got it.
Alright you guys, so finished up with the appointment. Thank God it was very quick and everything looked good. We heard the heartbeat, which is honestly all I really wanted to hear after that little food poisoning incident, which made me so nervous, but everything is good. We scheduled another sonogram for 4 weeks and that will be the gender reveal sonogram. Definitely gonna take Eran for that. I really hope they're gonna let me film because sometimes the ultrasound tech doesn't, but we will see. And I thought that for now I would actually take some time and and do my first little set of maternity shopping. You guys know that I love thrifting and I have a huge amount of clothes at home, but lately a lot of things have really been tight on my waistband, and I actually didn't take any of the maternity clothes from Canada with me here, so I'm starting from scratch completely. I already kind of learned the kind of things I like to wear. I try to stay away from like pants and jeans. I really like rompers and like onesies, jumpers, skirts, stuff like that, and especially dresses, ones that are like flowy here at the belly part. I'm definitely looking for some of those, and lately I've noticed I've been really loving to shop at department stores like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. It kind of gives you the thrill of the thrift because you don't know what you're gonna find. Not gonna lie, sometimes the prices at Marshall's and TJ Maxx have been cheaper than things I've been finding at thrift stores, and at least here they're brand new with tags, which is great. But for example, these rompers right here, this green and purple one, I got so many questions on them and I just got them for $12 each, which is incredible. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Let's see what we can find, and then I'll definitely go ahead and do a haul later on. Alright, lots of colors already, but I definitely want to go and start in the dress section right there in the back. These pants look very comfy and definitely pregnancy friendly. Let's see if we have our size. Okay, in no time at all, I like filled up my cart pretty quick. I found a bunch of like super cute dresses. I've always really wanted to wear these like little gingham maxi dresses, and they're all like priced super well too, like 15 to 20 bucks. I found this little play suit, which I've really been loving polka dots lately, and there's just so many cute little options, and I love that I live in Florida now, you guys, because I can actually rewear these dresses again and again. I'm trying my best to kind of stay away from the super bold patterns because I always tend to gravitate either towards like smaller patterns like this or more solid color pieces like all white, but there's still a bunch to look through, so let's keep at it. Okay, at least you gotta appreciate that the lighting here is a lot better than in thrift stores. I've always wanted kind of like a linen dress situation. I feel like this one is a little bit of an awkward length. I do wish it was a bit longer, but it is 100% linen. It's just not the ideal fit that I want, but it's still a very cute summer option. So I told myself I'm not going to be getting any dark dresses, only light dresses, but what can I say? I just really love the cut of this one, and especially imagine with the growing belly, like that's gonna look so cute. I just noticed that whenever dresses have like thicker straps right here, they're just so much more flattering on me, and that's kind of why I want this one. I like the big band over here too. Yeah, this one is for sure coming home with me. I always figured that baby doll dresses like this were kind of like a nice go-to for pregnancy, but what I noticed is that they're just like super loose and they don't emphasize anything. So because of that, I'm definitely gonna leave it behind. It doesn't really do much for me. It kind of just hangs off like a rag. I'm not so into it. So I've always wanted to be the kind of person that can pull off a maxi dress, and I do have to tie the straps, but this one is so freaking cute, especially as the bump will grow. It's such a nice material. It's like super flowy and comfy too. It's got this ruching at the front. I feel like when you have a wide band on the chest, that's what makes like the belly look so flattering. I really love this one. Okay, Ran, I'm ready to go on our picnic date. Let's do it. Oh, and that one too. I forgot to film it, but it's kind of like a shorter version. Also very, very cute. Can you tell that I'm like loving the little check gingham pattern? Okay, I gotta check if these come in a cuter color because I'm not loving the red. Feels a little Christmassy, but this is like the softest one-piece pajama I ever tried. I love it so much. It's got pockets, it's got a little button here that you can open and like to chill on the couch and watch movies, especially when I'm like super full term. Yes, I have to go see if they have this in gray because I would definitely snatch it up.
Look at her hair that they did for her daycare. Alia, look! Tiggity shalom! Tiggity hi! Titsy! She looks like that doll from Rugrats. Somebody else says she looks like a pine tree.
And then your mom says she looks like an antenna, like a 5G network. Eran, I thought we established that first we have proper dinner before we get into ice cream.
Bye, I'm gonna move for ice cream. It's so hot outside. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Today's episode teasing Aaliyah about foods I can eat and she can't. Mommy. You want some? Tiggity, please.
She said big bites.
You got a big bite. It's cold.
Don't let her take such big bites.
Tiggity, toda. Tiggity, toda. Toda.
So that means thank you in Hebrew. Oh my god, they're huge bites, Eran. Yummy?
Tiggity, toda. We got a special guest, the newlywed. Go do this at home, kids. And now Roy lives in Hollywood next to us, so we got all the siblings except for Meta. Yes, sir.
Roy, I posted that video yesterday where you're like, and scene.
And scene.
Oh yeah, you posted it?
It's so funny. You take out the screw, you pop in the plastic, and then you put in the screw. I know you want to come into the kitchen, Aaliyah, but mom's got to cook now. Come? Ellen, why do you not let her come here again?
Because she plays with the drawers and the cabinet.
So we Velcro them.
No, and she touches the cabinet where we have all our appliances. Too dangerous.
Anyway, transferred you over to our other vlog camera, and let me know how the audio sounds, because we actually used to use this camera with a mic, but the mic was just kind of having like terrible sounds. For some reason the left side wasn't working, the right side was. So I just thought that I would use it with no mic at all, and then we'll see how it goes from there. No. 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 Today I actually decided to make some egg rolls. Don't these look delicious? I stopped by the grocery store and I got some ground chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it. These are actually very easy to make. You can make them fried, or you can put them in the air fryer if you want to keep it a little bit healthier. There's basically 3 things that incorporate the filling. That is obviously your meat of choice, so I'm gonna go with chicken. Then you got your veggies. I already got the slaw kind of ready and shredded up, which makes your life so much easier. And then the last thing is obviously the little rice noodles. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep each of these things and show you guys how I make them, and then we'll enjoy them for dinner. Are you throwing underwear on her face? Please tell me those are clean.
They're clean, of course. We're going to dirty underwear.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and portion these out. I'm only gonna put 1 portion for the noodles. So I took half of the pack of the rice noodles, and to cook them, all you do is you actually add hot water and you wait for a couple of minutes. If you guys want to know the recipe I'm following, I'm just gonna link it down below. It's a YouTube video and it's like super easy to follow. Set a timer for 5 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my meat. I got my wok heating up. How cute, by the way. I got this big set of pink pans, and they're the cutest things ever. So I'm just pan frying the chicken just with some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna try my best to like break it up into super small pieces so that you don't feel it in the spring roll, because I don't like the chunky meat pieces. The chicken is all ready now. I'm just gonna take it off the pan. When the veggies are kind of at this point, it's perfect because they still somewhat have like texture and firmness. They didn't like get rid of all the liquid. So I'm gonna move this to the side now, and we're gonna mix all the mixture together. Evan apparently wants to show off his egg flipping skills.
You ready? 1, 2.
I'm like scared.
Why did it slip off?
That was awful. I think I should stick to cooking.
No.
Even though Aaliyah's cheering you on. I think I made too much stuffing.
What are we gonna do with all this? They're like worms.
All right, noodles in the bowl. Now we got the veggies and the chicken in there. And then to season it, all I do is I add a little bit of soy sauce, some sesame oil, salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. Why are you laughing? I know I should do things by measurements, but what else is new? I just like to eyeball it. Salt and a little bit of pepper. And where's the pepper? Here's the pepper. All right, honestly, you guys, this mixture, it tastes so good even on its own. Like you could eat it like a salad. I actually feel like I'm gonna have a lot left over because it's gonna fill up these sheets really quickly. But I'm gonna wait to put Aaliyah to sleep, and then I'm gonna start rolling so that the egg rolls don't dry out too quickly. And we wanna let go sleep. Hi everybody. Say I'm cranky and I wanna go to sleep now. Bye. Mwah. Milky. Bye everybody. Yum, you guys, these actually look bomb. I mean, I could try air frying them, but to be honest, I haven't had anything fried in a while and I feel like we've been craving it. And they look so good. I just put them on a drying rack so that they can properly dry. And they also get like fatter when you fry them, which is kind of awesome. So I just plop them in there. And because the inside is already cooked in terms of the meat, you really just want to get the outside a little bit brown and it's ready to go. Yeah, the hair had to go up in a bun because frying this food made me so hot. But you guys, they turned out so beautiful. I mean, just look at my gorgeous little spring rolls. And the thing about these, even though they get soft kind of quickly, the trick is if you want to eat them fresh, you can put them in the fridge, and then the next day, whenever you're ready to eat them, just pop them in the air fryer for a couple of minutes, and it's gonna feel and taste like super crispy as if they're just fresh. I wanna go in with one right now. I'm gonna see if Eren is down to have one with me. He's going to play basketball with some friends tonight, but let's see if he can sneak in an egg roll quickly with me, just for a taste test. Hey, they're ready, and they look good. Ding ding, chicken wing. Well, not chicken wing. Ding ding. What did I just say?
Thing but a chicken wing?
No, I'm trying to say something like gang gang spring rolls, but that doesn't rhyme.
I don't know what TV shows you're watching.
My brain's just not working.
They look
right now.
so good. I don't know how good an idea it is to eat this before I play basketball.
Okay, so at least have a bite.
Last time I can't have one bite.
Babe, okay, so finish one. I don't think one will give you
Nah,
a
it's gonna mess me up.
But you have to have a bite.
Nah, I'll have a bite, yeah,
okay.
for sure.
And look, I got your sweet chili.
Maybe I'll cancel basketball today.
No, come on.
Good though.
Ready? Dip dip. Cheers.
Oh, bro. I ain't going basketball today. That's pretty good.
That's good.
See, baby.
You gotta pop them in the air fryer when you come back.
I'm like, one more. What the hell?
Oh, it's not oil. It's probably liquid from the veggies.
Coming out one more dip. I want to put it back because if not, I'm gonna have a stomach ache.
Or I'll just eat it.
No.
Why? What do you mean? What did I make it for? But it's
Evenly
good?
distributed.
But it's good?
Yeah, very good.
Success. And that's dinner.